treat yourself to a test drive in the 2020 Subaru Impreza. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.